5 years ago, Lotus came under the wing of Geely Holding, and the Chinese breathed new life into the British company. The basis of the new model range and a truly massive sports car will be the mid-engine coupe Lotus Emira. This coupe alone will replace all existing models in the production program, Elise, Exige and Evora. But at the same time, it will become the last Lotus with an internal combustion engine without an electric surplus. According to the recently adopted Vision 80 strategy, subsequently Lotus will produce only hybrids and electric vehicles. Emira became the first model on the new aluminum sports car architecture platform. Conceptually, it repeats the platform of the previous Lotuses, and even the wheelbase is the same as that of the Evora model, but all the components and elements have been redesigned, and the track has become noticeably wider. At the same time, Emira has retained the classic power steering. The basic power unit is the same. This is a modified Toyota V6 3.5 engine with a supercharger. There is a manual transmission or Aisin automatic to choose from. But an alternative option has also been proposed, a 2-liter turbocharger AMG M139, familiar from the Mercedes AMG A45, CLA 45 and GLA 45 models. Daimler has become a new technical partner of Lotus, although this is not surprising, because it already cooperates with Geely Holding, for example, in the development of the Smart brand. Lotus got a modified turbo engine with original intake and exhaust systems, and the only transmission is an 8-speed robot with 2 clutches. Emira really looks fantastic. While the Evora was never a bad-looking car, the Emira is at another level entirely. It's got a proper sense of the exotic about it, all the drama of a supercar at a slightly smaller scale and much lower cost. If you're after a toy that turns heads, you won't be going far wrong with this Lotus, and the Seneca blue of the test car is eye-poppingly gorgeous. You sit low in the 2022 Lotus Emira, although perhaps not quite as low as you might expect. Ahead are 2 digital screens, one for the instrument panel, which chameleons between displays in the 3 driving modes, Tour, Sport and Track, and a touchscreen in the center of the dash. The driving experience remains exemplary, which is typical for almost all of its predecessors. But it also seems to provide a usability that companies rarely cared about in earlier cars. Lotus has confirmed the price for the fully loaded version of the Emira V6 First Edition, $96,100. It is also reported that a basic car with an AMG engine will be available in 2023 at a starting price of $77,100.